Hi guys, today we are gonna do the flute, aka the recorder. There are many types of flute. The recorder is good for beginners. Okay guys, we are now gonna play the flute. My first song is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay guys, after that we are gonna play the next beginner song, Hot Cross Buns. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below in the comment section. Bye!